In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set up rules that automatically recognize and categorize your bank feed transactions so you can work faster and keep your books consistent. Start in QuickBooks Online. From the workspace, hover over All Apps, then hover over the Accounting section to reveal more options and choose Rules. This opens the Rules page where all your existing rules live. To add a new one, select New Rule. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you recognize it later. For example, you might name it something like monthly software subscriptions or client deposits. A concise, meaningful name makes troubleshooting easier down the road. Next, look for the section that says, Apply this to transactions that are. Here, decide whether the rule should run on money in or money out. Money in is for deposits and customer payments coming into your account. Money out is for expenses, vendor payments, or withdrawals. Pick the one that matches the flow you're targeting. If you need both directions, create separate rules for each to avoid confusion. Now, choose where the rule applies. Open the bank account selector and choose all bank accounts. If you want this rule to trigger no matter which connected account the transaction lands in, if the rule should only apply to a single account, you can narrow it there, under. And include the following. Define the condition that will make this rule fire. A reliable choice is to target the description field and set the condition to contains. Then type the specific text you commonly see on the bank feed for this transaction, like the merchant or platform name. Use the exact wording you see on your statements to improve accuracy. If the text varies, include the most consistent portion rather than the whole phrase. Tell QuickBooks what to do when it finds a match. Choose the transaction type that best fits, such as expense, deposit, or transfer. Then select the category, which is the chart of accounts posting, like software, office supplies, or sales. Add a payee so future reports and vendor lists stay clean and searchable. If you track income by client, you can also choose a customer to link those transactions for better reporting. When everything looks right, select Save. From now on, QuickBooks will use your rule to pre-fill and suggest matches on the bank feed, helping you review and add transactions with fewer clicks and more confidence. So I advise.